Hi folks, Sean P. RV here at Bell Camper Sales. We are so glad that you came with us to look at this 2025. This is the Phoenix. It is a fifth wheel and it's a light model, so it's half-ton towable. It's the 235 RK. What we'll do is we'll go around the exterior and then we'll go on the interior. I'm so glad you're coming along to this nice demo on a super nice Phoenix by Shasta. Come with me. Folks, this is the 235 RK Phoenix by Shasta. Shasta's been around since 1941. This is a fifth wheel model. This will have lots of storage in it. That first door is where your propane tank's going to be. That's what we fill up for you. And we give you brand new batteries. This got your magnets. Makes it easy to handle those doors. You got lots of interior space there. Door opens up on the other side. There's your tankless water heater. This has your JBL outdoor speakers with a long awning. This also has your weather shield protection package. Protects you from the elements. And you have your lion's head 125 lifetime. First year, no excuses guaranteed. 2-year complimentary roadside assistance, 5-year warranty on the radial ST tires, lifetime structural warranty on all wheels, and they are also nitro filled. Shasta, been around since 1941. Got your nice Linda handles with your lifted steps that go inside. Got a full walkable roof on this. The ladder goes up. You have a place for your rear camera also. You got a hitch on back where you can put a rack, maybe a bicycle rack or a place for your generator. These also have your electrical stabilizer jacks on this. It's going to be a big, nice, that'll be a living room slide out. Here's your outdoor showers. This is your docking station. That's your other side of the storage there. You have your nice gutters. Keeps water from going down the side of your unit. Let's go ahead and walk around here and we'll go inside. So this is the 235 Phoenix Lite by Shasta. And it's a 235 RK, so that means rear kitchen. Mega storage on this unit in the back. Lots of counter space. Nice 12-volt refrigerator. Have your couch, recliner couch. Over across from it, you have a place with some chairs and a table. The TV's above, more storage. More storage right there. Here's your controls for your awning and your slide. Going up the steps here, right to the right, you have your restroom. Storage there, storage above. Big nice shower, toilet. I love how they put the coat racks hooks in there. Go into the bedroom. Nice windows on both sides. You can get around the bed very easily on this unit as well. There's more cabinet space there, drawers, place for your cups or phones or CPAP machines on both sides. You're going to have your USB ports and electrical outlets. Got your nice vent above the bed. This is how it looks like when it's going back down into your living room. That slide makes it really spacious inside. So you have your refrigerator and your reclining sofa couch there. There's your microwave, 3-burner stove with an oven. Nice rounded faucet, lots of storage. That does it for the interior on this unit. It's a 235 RK 2025 Phoenix Lite. Okay folks, that concludes our walk around on the 2025 This is 235 RK model by Shasta, and it's a Phoenix. It's Phoenix Lite. So this is half-ton towable if your half-ton's equipped properly. We're here at Bell Camper Sales. We take pride in customer service. We always want you to come see us. We always want you to come say hello. So come see me, Sean P, here at Bell Camper Sales, and we'll get you camping.